Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your form back in cricket. First, we will identify common reasons for a dip in performance, from technical flaws to mental blocks. Then, we will dive into practical steps, starting with revisiting your fundamental techniques. We'll also explore crucial mental strategies to build confidence and resilience. Finally, I'll share tips on maintaining consistency and embracing patience, which are key to a successful comeback. This comprehensive approach will help you rediscover your best game. To refine your technique, begin by meticulously reviewing your grip and stance. Ensure they are comfortable and efficient for your specific role. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to shadow practice, focusing on smooth, repeatable movements. Use a camera to record your sessions. Visual feedback is incredibly powerful for identifying subtle flaws. Finally, actively seek guidance from a trusted coach or a seasoned teammate. Their objective insights can pinpoint areas for improvement that you might overlook. Building mental fortitude is crucial for a comeback. Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily visualizing perfect execution and successful moments on the field. During practice, set small, realistic goals like hitting 20 consecutive balls cleanly or bowling 10 accurate deliveries. Focus on targeted drills that directly address your identified weaknesses, perhaps a specific shot or line. Gradually reintroduce yourself to game pressure by playing informal practice matches, allowing you to apply your refined skills in a competitive setting. Consistency is the bedrock of regaining form. Stick to your practice schedule diligently, even on days you feel less motivated. Remember, this journey requires significant patience. There will be good days and challenging ones. Acknowledge and celebrate every small improvement, as these build momentum and confidence. Equally important is prioritizing your physical well-being. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly, and incorporate proper recovery techniques to keep your body and mind fresh for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.